Keto Kings and Queens, always remember that you're awesome. Today we're making breakfast sausage rolls that are amazing. Go ahead and grab you off some sausage and break it up into about 8 mini sausages in the pan with some bacon grease. Go ahead and fry those up because we're going to use those for the middle. Put it to the side, and for the dry items, all you need is 1 cup of almond flour, 2 cups of mozzarella. Put that in a microwave on 1-minute increments or until everything is melted together. By the way, I forgot my cream cheese, 2 ounces. Add in 1 egg, mix it together, and roll you out some balls. Put it in the fridge or the freezer to cool off so you can stuff them. Put them in your muffin pan, and I top mine with mozzarella. Put these in the oven for about 20 minutes on 375 until golden brown. They came out absolutely amazing. You have to try it. I promise you, you will not regret it. Watch out for baby hands, and please like for more.